Love cream cheese but worried about store-bought preservatives? Try this easy homemade cream cheese with just 4 ingredients. Stay tuned till the end for some surprising health benefits. Store-bought cream cheese contains preservatives and stabilizers, but homemade is 100% natural and chemical-free. First, add 1 cup curd or yogurt into the cloth and cover it well. Press it with a bowl for 10 to 15 minutes to strain excess water. Now add 1 liter of milk and heat on medium flame. Stir occasionally and let it come to a boil. Use full-fat milk for extra creamy texture. Did you know cream cheese was invented in 1872 in New York, accidentally by a dairy farmer? In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon water with 1 tablespoon vinegar. Pour it into the boiling milk and stir well. The milk will curdle, separating into paneer, cheese, and whey, the liquid. Turn off the heat. Now remove the paneer from the water and squeeze out the excess water. Health benefits of homemade cream cheese. Rich in protein and calcium, great for bone health and strong teeth. No preservative. This is completely natural and safe for kids. Now pour the strained curd into a blender. Add the milk, paneer, 2 tablespoons butter and half teaspoon salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. For a richer taste, use unsalted butter instead of salted. Grease a box with oil and place a baking paper inside. Pour in the creamy mixture, cover it and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. And that's it, your homemade cream cheese is ready. Rich, creamy and perfect for bagels, sandwiches, dips or baking. Homemade cream cheese stays fresh for up to 7 days in the fridge. Just store it in an airtight container. For long shelf time, you can keep it in freezer or deep freeze. Do you prefer store-bought or homemade cream cheese? Tell me below. Love this recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy and delicious homemade recipes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Watch the full video again to see all the steps in detail.